We have finished with Passover, and now we are counting the Omer on our way to Mount Sinai to greet Matan Torah, Shavuot, the giving of the Torah, that anniversary. But this week's Torah portion is called Shmini. A question raised in the Mishnah is Ezehu Hacham, who is wise? Ben Zoma in the 4th chapter of Pirkei Avot answers, Halomein mikol adam, the person who learns from everyone else. However, in the Talmud, the same question is posed, but gets a different response. There, who is wise? The answer given, the one who sees what will be born. In other words, they perceive the outcome of their intended actions. It is the second answer that is quoted by the Ishbitzer Rebbe regarding this week's Torah portion, Shmini. He supplies this response because of what happens at the beginning of the parasha. There, a strange fire brought to the altar of God consumes the two sons of Aaron, Nadav and Avihu. They die in a conflagration. The Rebbe then goes on to explain that it is not enough to act, but we must think first. For sometimes we are doing something wrong for what we believe is the right purpose. A person's intent should always be doing what is good and right, not placing one's ego or cleverness above what is correct. I have little doubt that the two sons of Aaron were trying their best to produce a sacrifice worthy of their sage father. Yet, in the process of making the offering, they did not question their own intentions before acting. Had they thought, considered, and reflected before acting, they would have realized the inherent wrongness and potential consequences of their actions. The same is true for us. We must consider the feelings of others before speaking, weigh our actions and their potential outcome before initiating them. Lives may depend on what we say or how we behave, as with Nadav and Avihu. In this way, we reach the apex of wisdom, just by thinking first, acting later. Shabbat Shalom.